Yes, sir. It's that type of day. No long talking, we about to get straight into it. Let's install this MSD intake manifold, this Katech throttle body. And I think I might leave the air box off today. I might put it back on just to put it on, but I don't think I'm gonna drive it yet because I'm gonna be getting a roto fab and then I gotta get it tuned. So I'm gonna get a remote tuned, and then after I get a remote tuned, I'm gonna go put on a dyno for you guys, so you guys see how much power that makes. It's also on E85, so yeah, these mods right here should help out with the E85, but it's really gonna help out when I put the headers on. So those the headers, got the connection pipes, like I said, the conductor wires, spark plug wires, MSD, and yeah. So the AWE system, we did get in contact with the manufacturer. They said it's not gonna be here for 5 to 10 weeks, and yeah, so I might put the headers on because I could take the AWE system, like any kind of muffler shop, and they could put that on for me. So we gonna see, man. I'm gonna go get the headers price to get put on, and yeah, man, let's get it. This one literally fits inside of there. It's crazy. This one literally fits. So we just gotta take off the mass airflow sensor right here. Whew. Here we go. Out with the old stuff and with the new stuff. Yes, sir. We could have used these old gaskets right here. They weren't tore or anything. Whew, all done almost. All right, so I had to run to Home Depot because the Katech won't fit onto like the coder intake. So I went to Home Depot to get a 4-inch to 3-inch conversion coupler. So I'm pretty sure the roto fab will fit just perfect, but the coder inductions is supposed to work with the stock throttle body and stuff. So there we go, we done. Let's go ahead and get that cold start. Moment of truth, let's get it. Yep, it was a rough start at first because what was going on was I used some zip ties because, you know, I gotta wait for my roto fab to come in. Then I tighten this down, so yeah, she sounded healthy for real. All right, man, I don't want to drive it. I'm gonna wait till I get my roto fab in, and I gotta get it tuned, so yeah, boy.